잔잔한 재즈 음악이 풍기는 오비로에선
There you go. Thanks.
함장 에드가 한 장 걸치고 있었는데
You know what the worst days are, Olix? Krill confrontations, no spatial anomalies, just nothing going on. And all your thoughts just march inward.
보아하니 오비로는 크릴과의 마찰 없이 잠깐 평화가 깃든 모양이고
Hey, Bortus, pull up a chair.
이때 보터스가 할 말이 있다며 말을 겁니다.
Sir, you are aware that Mocklins urinate only once per year.
I am, yeah.
It is my time.
모클라는 1년에 한 번 소변을 보는데 그것이 조만간이라는 보터스.
We're diverting course to Moklis to watch Bortus pee.
Once a year, every Mocklin must prepare for his Jaloja, the Great Release. There, amidst family and friends, a Mocklin urinates.
이것은 명예로운 행위라며 크루들이 함께 참석하길 바라는 마음이었고
What if it's like a windy day?
Any questions?
Yeah, like a million, but I'm not gonna ask.
And Bortus, if you need any time off to make preparations, feel free to relieve yourself.
그렇게 모두 참석의 의지를 밝히며 해산합니다. 이후 애들을 찾아온 켈리.
I'm seeing someone.
Who is it? Who are you seeing?
연인이 생겨 그에게 말해주려 한 것이었는데
Okay, I still love you.
You're trying to tell me you still don't understand why this doesn't work?
Do you still love me?
에드는 아직 그녀를 사랑하지만 켈리는 임무와 직책이 있어 이 사랑은 이루어질 수 없다고 말합니다.
Bortus and I are equally qualified to lead the mission. Which one do you send?
See, I would have to have more information.
You can't answer, and that's the point. You shouldn't have to.
The choice to love should transcend timing, and anything less is cowardice.
그 시각
Hey, Mom, can James and I go to the simulator?
Dinner's in half an hour. You finish your homework?
Yeah, I did it at school.
Then go get it, and maybe you can go to the simulator.
Is your mom always such a pain in the ass?
James.
MZ답게 싸가지 없게 구는 아들의 친구 제임스.
Later, man.
No.
And B, that's not the kind of friend I want you hanging around with.
Well, everybody at school likes him, and you don't even know him, so how can you talk?
허나 아들 역시 엄마의 마음을 이해 못하고
Nobody told me it would be this bad. I never raised a teenager before, and I don't have a clue as to how to get to him. Play something sweet and jazzy.
클레어도 조금씩 아들 문제로 힘이 벅차가는데 문제는
My mom's gonna kill me if she finds out. I'm gonna kill you if you don't shut up. One bottle of vodka.
관상은 과학이라고 제임스가 애들을 데리고 사고를 치고 맙니다. 같은 시각 켈리에게 연인이 생긴 게 몹시 불만이었던 에드는
I'm gonna take a shuttle out. I'll be back in a little bit.
Okay, sir. Do you want me to assign a co-pilot?
No, I'm just gonna go for a drive.
기상천외한 일을 벌이게 되는데 켈리의 데이트를 엿보는 에드.
No way. What's wrong?
하지만 켈리가 눈치챘고 이에 자리를 옮기는데
Oh, man.
그런데 이 과정에서 술을 마시는 제임스와 아이들을 보게 됩니다. 단단히 혼낼 필요가 있었던 클레어.
James is the one who acted. I didn't even touch it.
Oh, your new best friend, James? That James? Well, you're not going to be hanging out with him anymore, I can tell you that. You will be grounded for the rest of your life. Do you understand?
사춘기 아들을 관리하는 건 쉬운 일이 아니었습니다.
Perhaps compulsory consumption of further quantities of alcohol would diminish his desire for the substance.
Yeah, that's called murder, Isaac. That's not going to work.
I see.
Oh, always here to entertain.
문제는 몇 시간 뒤
Come in.
아이들 문제로 클레어를 만나러 온 제임스의 부모님.
I just think, given the circumstances, that it's best if Marcus doesn't spend time with James right now.
Well, of course, we agree with you, but we feel it's more serious than that. This is about Marcus.
What about Marcus?
이때 일의 주동자가 마커스라며 클레어와 실랑이가 벌어집니다.
James was the ringleader, not Marcus.
That's ridiculous. But he is always respectful.
Respectful my butt.
Dr. Finn, we will be scheduling a parent-teacher conference. You are more than welcome to join.
Count on it.
일단 알겠다곤 했으나 썩 마음이 좋지 않은 클레어.
Is it possible they're right? Did I go wrong somewhere along the line with my son?
I would be most interested in observing such a ritual. May I accompany you?
Well, then it won't be 2 against 1.
2 against 1. Do you anticipate hand-to-hand combat?
그렇게 아이작이 동행하기로 하고 학부모 회의가 열리는데
Now, truthfully, both of your boys have shown rebellious tendencies lately. James? Yes.
James gets straight A's.
That's not completely accurate.
이때 성적 얘기가 나오자 아이작이 한마디 거듭니다.
May I access your class files?
Of course.
Further analysis reveals a recent alteration using external algorithms.
Mine?
That is accurate. As James's grades have been altered and Marcus's have not, one must conclude James is the guilty party.
결국 제임스가 주동자라는 결론에 도달하죠.
Would you be my date to Bortus's Jaloja?
If you wish.
I wish.
이후 다가온 보터스의 전로자 행사.
I begin the release. Kalashka. Memek. Godless Fecto. Bomba. Jaloja!
네, 이상 전로자였습니다.
I hope you enjoyed the ceremony, Commander.
I did.
Hope you washed your hands.
그로부터 며칠 뒤 행성이 먹히는 진귀한 광경을 보게 된 이들.
A stellar incineration is one of the rarest sights in the galaxy.
그런데 이때
Captain, my shift ends in 15 minutes. Request permission to leave early.
All good. We'll see you tomorrow.
갑자기 몸이 아프다며 조퇴를 신청한 보터스.
You know, that's the third time this week he's done that.
Yes, I am sorry, Clyden. I must work late again.
You have worked late every night this week.
그리고 남편의 전화도 무시한 채 놀라운 곳으로 향하는데
Begin simulation. Bortus 486.
이곳은 각종 훈련을 돕기 위한 시뮬레이션 공간이었고
I've been awaiting you, Bortus.
이내 야동을 플레이합니다.
Bortus, what time is it?
It is late. Go back to sleep.
I wish to make love.
I'm very tired from my work. I wish to rest immediately.
아무래도 보터스한테 어떠한 사정이 있는 듯 보이죠. 다음 날
Captain, internal scans of the planet show that there may be deposits of dysonium ore beneath the surface.
사라질 행성에 고급 자원이 있다는 걸 확인한 아이작.
That much dysonium could power this ship for a year.
All right, start modifying the tractor beam.
그런데 또
Captain, request permission to be relieved early.
보터스가 조퇴를 신청하게 되는데
You think something's up with him?
I don't know.
이후 시뮬레이터실로 향한 보터스.
Begin simulation Bortus 497.
그리고는
Perhaps we can make an arrangement.
Then I suppose I must do what you ask of me.
기똥찬 판타지를 재생합니다. 당연히 이러한 행동은 부부관계의 결핍을 가져왔고
Clyden, I am sorry to be late.
I do not care about your excuses. I have been waiting for you for hours.
We will talk about this tomorrow. The captain requires my presence on the bridge at 0800. I must go to bed.
Let us at least share the sexual event.
I am sorry. I am too tired.
그렇게 침대에 눕는데 놀라운 일이 일어납니다. 칼에 맞은 보터스.
20 milligrams of Benoctolene. Clear.
다행히도 정신을 차렸으나
You should not have done that.
Excuse me?
그는 남편의 무죄를 주장하는데
Bortus, I don't know if you're aware, but Clyden just tried to murder you.
Clyden was divorcing me.
Divorcing you?
When a Mocklin wishes to end a marriage, he terminates the life of his mate.
You're kidding.
모클라는 이혼을 결심할 때 상대방을 찌르는 문화가 있던 것이죠.
Captain, you must release Clyden.
Out of the question.
Please.
남편을 용서해달라는 말에 머리가 아픈 에드와 켈리.
Why the hell is dealing with Mocklin culture always this difficult?
What are they doing at someone's birthday? Light the parents on fire?
2 Soleil and Blossom whiskeys.
그렇게 머리 아픈 이슈로 한잔 기울이다.
I have been monitoring the decay of the planet, and my scans have revealed something rather significant.
What is it?
There are indications that a subterranean civilization may once have existed.
I would say that's absolutely significant.
현재 흡수되는 행성에서 생명이 살았다는 흔적을 발견하게 되죠.
All right, well, continue scanning and keep me apprised.
뒤이어
Come in.
처벌을 기다리던 보터스 부부.
All right. Because of the cultural element in play here, and because Bortus apparently does not want to press charges, Clyden will not be prosecuted.
클라이드는 처벌을 받지 않는 대신
You will both attend daily couples counseling with Dr. Finn.
What is couples counseling?
둘은 클레어에게 부부 상담을 받게 됩니다.
Do either of you understand why you're here? Discuss and resolve conflicts with the goal of improving your long-term relationship.
Will we select our own weapons?
No, that's not how it works.
대화를 통해 서로를 이해해보기로 한 둘.
I still find Clyden attractive, but I have been working long hours lately and I am tired when I return to our quarters.
허나 보터스는 시뮬레이터실에 간 것을 비밀에 붙이는데
I suppose I do. Yes.
Okay, I think we're making some progress.
그렇게 둘을 속인 보터스는
I will meet you in our quarters at 1800 hours.
I shall see you there.
또 한 번 시뮬레이터실로 향합니다.
Begin simulation, Bortus 931.
그런데 진짜 문제는
End simulation.
더욱 자극적인 걸 원하게 된 것.
Sought after pornographic simulations in the galaxy. I require something out of the ordinary.
수많은 판타지 중 그가 원한 건
Moclans, many of them, all at once, ready to be adventurous.
다수의 모클란이 나오는 것이었고 시뮬레이션을 받은 후 바로 실행해보는데 파라다이스가 펼쳐집니다. 같은 시각
How the hell can anything be alive down there?
Alara, is there any way we can hail them?
Channel's open.
흡수당하는 행성 거주자들과 연락이 닿은 에드.
This is Helen Thies, First Minister of the Nixian people. But
Minister Thies, are you aware of what's happening to
I think she said Thies.
Huh?
I think she said Thies with a short S sound.
Hey, you know what, guys? This woman's planet is about to die. Maybe we focus on that, huh?
Minister, how many of you are there?
75 is all that is left of our civilization.
이 위험에 처한 75명의 인원들을 전부 수송하기로 했으나
75 people. We'd have to make 2 or 3 trips to get them all out.
All right, let's make it happen.
시간이 영 부족한 상황이었고
2 slices of pepperoni pizza?
덩달아 시뮬레이션기부터
Lamar to engineering.
Minister, can you hear me?
It's something on our end.
Cause?
Some kind of weird glitch. It won't reinitialize.
Sounds like the food synthesizer.
기계 여기저기가 고장나기 시작하는데
Scans have confirmed the presence of a computer virus, Captain.
From where?
It appears its origin is Environmental Simulator 3.
이때 보터스가 사용한 야동이 문제가 된 걸 발견합니다.
Commander Bortus, sir.
곧장 3번 시뮬레이터실로 향해본 에드와 켈리.
Our only wish is to bring you ecstasy.
Wow.
Okay, now I know this is awkward for all of us, but at the moment we need to focus on this virus.
징계를 내려야 마땅하나 우선 바이러스를 잡는 데 집중하기로 한 이들.
I went to town on myself this morning. That's why I look so relaxed right now.
God, this whole ship is gross.
Before it affects any more of the ship's systems.
Good. Get it installed as quickly as possible.
굿뉴스는 기계 정상화까지는 얼마 안 걸린다는 것.
There's a problem. The upgraded deflectors will block out most of the radiation.
How bad?
Like, ouch, I got a sunburn bad, or I just opened the Ark of the Covenant bad?
Like melty face to awfulness.
벤뉴스는 개조한 수송선이 내부 고온으로 인해 탑승이 어렵다는 것이었죠.
Isaac and Bortus.
이로 인해 수송선에는 피부가 두터운 보터스와 아이작이 탑승하게 됩니다.
Your addiction to pornographic stimuli.
Will not answer your questions.
You need not blame yourself. You are a primitive organism.
그렇게 도착하게 된 둘. 행성엔 아이들을 비롯해 다수의 인원이 있었고
Scans are showing accelerated instability in the planet's core. Sir, it's breaking up.
하물며 행성의 붕괴가 더욱 빨라진 상황.
Our shuttle will hold 30 of you, so we will need to begin loading the first group immediately.
We will only have time for one trip.
구조할 수 있는 인원은 고작 30명뿐이었습니다.
It would be wiser to select the members of the society who possess the highest degree of intelligence. A random drawing of names is quite inefficient.
But I am happy I am not like you.
이들은 어떠한 조건 없이 오직 추천만으로만 탈출 인원을 정하게 되죠.
Beautiful life among the stars.
All the days we'll never have.
That's what you take with you.
그렇게 생존자들을 데리고 오빌호로 돌아온 둘. 허나
Captain Helm is not responding.
What?
I've lost attitude control.
오빌호 내부의 바이러스로 인해 조타기가 마비된 것.
Gordon, how much time?
I'd say 6 minutes and we're a baked potato.
The viral matrix keeps resetting. I can't stay ahead of it. I need Isaac.
Let me quench your thirst for passion.
I'm not thirsty.
그렇게 위기의 상황 속 시뮬레이터실에 아이작이 도착하고
15 seconds, Captain.
단체로 구운 감자가 될 위기 속
The virus has been eradicated.
겨우 한시름 놓는 이들이었죠.
Your head is very smooth and very sensuous.
마지막으로 보터스는
I have never witnessed an officer behave and downright stupidity as you have.
I wish to tender my resignation, effective immediately.
Rejected.
Sir?
You saved 30 lives by risking your own. I am very grateful to have you on board.
Get some rest. You're back on full-time duty in the morning.
여러 도움과 배려로 인해 제자리를 찾게 됩니다.
Today, I witnessed events that I am very fortunate to have you and Topa in my life, and I do not wish to lose you again.
As would I.
그렇게 보터스는 야동을 끊었고 오빌호는 계속해서 나아갔죠. 며칠 뒤 400년 전 타임캡슐을 발견한 오빌호.
How far back does it date? Over 400 years. 2015 to be exact.
동시에 이것은 2015년도 지구인이 남긴 물건이었는데
What are these?
Cigarettes. People used to light the tips on fire and inhale the smoke.
저마다의 관심사가 달랐지만 보터스는 담배를,
A communication device. Cellular telephone.
고드는 스마트폰에 관심을 가지게 됩니다.
There. We got power. Boom. There it is.
Look at that. They're messages.
이때
Hey, what's up, future people? Hi.
고드는 휴대폰의 주인 로라가 남긴 메시지를 발견하죠.
So, here I am. Here you are. Look at all my pictures and decide whether you think I was, I don't know, have fun getting to know who I was.
Nice to meet you, Laura.
그녀에게 첫눈에 반한 듯 빠져든 고든.
Please select a program.
Well, I actually want to create a new program, if I could. Is there a way to upload the content into the simulator's processing systems?
이내 로라를 자세히 알고 싶다며 그녀의 시뮬레이터를 만들고
Begin simulation.
Hey.
영상 속 로라를 만납니다.
Speaking of, can I get you something?
Yeah, just a beer is fine.
최근 9년 된 남자친구와 헤어졌고 노래를 부르는 걸 즐긴다는 로라.
You know, if it doesn't sound like torture, I am actually playing a gig at this pub over on Dunhill next Tuesday if you want to come.
뜻밖의 첫 대화에서 그는 그녀의 라이브 바에 초청되고
It was just so vivid and real.
고드는 시뮬레이터인 로라에게 완전히 빠지게 되는데
Hey man, you didn't do like drugs in there, right?
No. This is a totally natural high.
That girl's been dead for 3.5 centuries.
I know.
아닌 걸 알면서도 고드는 묘한 감정을 가집니다. 일주일 뒤
Time to write a book about.
로라의 라이브 바에 들린 고든.
I still can't believe how good you are.
한참 분위기가 무르익어 갈 때
If I can ask, what happened with your last relationship?
고드는 9년을 만났다던 전 애인에 대해 얘기를 꺼냈는데
As much as we loved each other, I think I just got tired of paying for dinner.
그녀는 그저 지쳤을 뿐이라며 둘러댔습니다.
What is it?
It's my number. I realized I never gave it to you at the party.
Oh, cool.
그렇게 서로 번호를 교환했고 고드는 남몰래 이 사랑을 키워가죠. 그로부터 며칠 뒤
And for everything else.
결국 연인으로 발전하게 된 두 사람.
Resume simulation.
그런데
This is Greg.
Hey, Gordon. Heard a lot about you.
로라와 그녀의 전 남자친구가 함께 있는 걸 고든이 보게 되는데
Oh my god, you must think I'm a terrible person right now. Greg and I have decided to try and work things out.
그녀는 놀랍게도 재결합 소식을 전합니다.
But I hope there's at least a possibility that maybe we could be friends.
충격을 받은 고든.
Listen, for what it's worth, I think in the long run it's for the best. Some parts of your life are just out of your control.
허나 조언에도 쌍년 아니 로라를 잊지 못한 고든은
Simulation accessed.
Delete Greg.
전 남자친구를 데이터에서 삭제하기에 이르는데 그런데 그 결과
Hi there. What are you doing here?
I had a little free time, so I thought the pub where you sing.
What are you talking about?
눈에 띄게 다른 사람이 되어버립니다.
I don't understand. You sing.
Yeah, I love to sing, but not in front of an audience. Oh my god, I'd have a heart attack.
Hold simulation. You mean Greg?
Affirmative.
로라는 그레그를 겪었기에 고든이 사랑한 여자가 됐던 것이었고
That's all I have to tell.
이를 깨달은 그는 그녀를 보내주기로 합니다.
That was so good. You're a lucky guy.
Oh, hey. We have to take a picture before my phone goes in the capsule.
한편
What is it? It is called a cigarette. The aroma is most pleasing. Yes. Dr. Finn says it is the result of...
담배를 태워보기로 한 보터스 부부.
The tip is to be ignited and the smoke inhaled. The sensation is wonderful. I have never experienced such a flavor. The tingles. Do you feel them? I do. 500 cigarettes.
건강한 폐 덕분에 둘은 주구장창 담배를 피워댔는데
What's that smell?
Commander.
조종실 내부에서부터
Oh my God.
처소까지 자그마치 500개를 피워댔고 둘의 건강이 걱정된 에드는 당장 진료실로 향합니다.
Apparently, the Mocklin biological system is extremely susceptible to nicotine addiction.
모콜라는 니코틴 중독에 취약하다는 클레어.
What happens if you don't have a cigarette for more than a half hour?
I began to shake. It did not stop until I smoked.
Until eventually you'll reach a point where you can't go 10 seconds without a puff. I'll have to formulate one.
이내 보터스 부부는 금연 치료제를 만들 때까지 담배를 피우지 않기로 하죠.
No smoking.
그런데
Bortus, what are you eating? It is called gum.
Is it helping?
It is not.
흡연을 찾는 게 어렵기만 한 보터스. 남편도 마찬가지였고
It was only one. Where is the harm? I will stop shouting when I see evidence that you are as committed as I am. Huh? What is this? I must be on the bridge at 08. Do not change the subject.
결국 부부는 숨겨둔 담배까지 모두 털어내며
From now on, we will watch each other. Yes.
서로가 담배를 태우지 않게 감시하기로 합니다.
Where is the Noctis sauce? You ate the last of it. I did not.
허나 금단 현상은 점점 심해졌고 결국
I must have a cigarette. No. We agreed. I do not care. The urge is too strong.
이는 평범한 부부싸움으로 이어집니다.
Oh my God. I've just finished formulating the injection. Who wants to go first?
그렇게 둘은 아름다운 금연을 실천하죠. 오늘 소개해드린 오빌은 2017년부터 2022년까지 이어진 SF 코미디 드라마입니다. 눈치채신 분들도 있으시겠지만 사실 해당 작품은 스타트렉 패러디물로 시작한 시리즈인데요. 허나 시즌 1이 패러디치고 생각보다 너무 인기가 좋아 시즌 3까지 이어진 케이스랍니다. 그도 그럴 것이 패러디라 할지라도 퀄리티가 너무 좋은데요. 일단 코미디 시리즈답게 언제 어디서 개그가 터질지 모르는 건 기본이고 그 와중 흥미진진한 스토리가 매 시즌 담겨 있어 자연스레 몰입까지 된답니다. 오늘 전해드린 파트는 시즌2의 일부분이며 시즌1의 이야기 역시 이미 업로드되어 있으니 이는 고정 댓글을 참고해주시길 바랍니다. 오빌은 현재 디즈니 플러스에서 전 시즌 시청 가능하며 만약 관심이 가신다면 디플로 향해 정주행해보시길 권해드립니다.